Now this is a device I went and got recently because it solved an issue I had. If you live in or know someone who lives in one of these 55 plus communities, or you just simply want to make sure that you're not going above the speed limit, which with some of the golf carts is entirely possible. This is a GPS-based speedometer, so it's not always going to be dead on, but it's going to get you close enough that if you were to be pulled over, they would say you're at least trying to be in compliance. It is 5-volt powered, so you'll either need a 5-volt output from your golf cart, or temporarily you can plug it into one of the USB batteries. There is a trick to those that you'll want to be aware of, and that is sometimes it's not pulling enough power on some of the USB batteries for it to realize there's something plugged in, and the battery will automatically power off. So you either need to look at automatically powering the battery on, and there's should be a setting you can change to override the timer, or plug something else in very minor that will put a load to the battery that will keep it up and running. I have been very pleased with this one. It helped me learn how far down the pedal goes to get what kind of speed based on when I'm on a flat or tilted terrain. So this is something that allows you to get an idea of how fast you're going without having to have an upgrade on the cart to get this kind of functionality added. So take a look at this, and I think you'll want to get one because it's definitely going to save you some headaches.